Just a moment, guys. Hello, good morning, everybody. I hope you're doing well. If you can hear me, can you just comment good morning? I see you have 6 people right now on my YouTube. I need another phone. So can you just say hi as I get my other phone? Because that's the other phone I use it to read the comments. And also let me know if I'm clear and audible. If you can hear me clearly from your end. Good morning, Dr. And also let me know which pair you really benefited from yesterday's morning analysis, the ones we did, because we had several analyses. I can see visibility concept is saying hi, good morning. We have that 10 people. We are about to start like in the next 2 minutes or 1 minute. You're going to start with around 20 people is a good number for us to start the morning analysis. Just say hi, comment, and let me know if you can hear me clearly because I'm not sure about my internet today. I want to know whether you can hear me clearly from your end. And also the pairs you benefited from, because yesterday we had several pairs analysis. We had several pairs, several views in the market. Which pair did you take? And don't forget to also to hit that like button. The like button, the ones I normally recommend you guys to hit that like button because it really helps a lot in terms of pushing the video. You guys, can you hear me clearly? I see we have 17 people. Let me share also my screen so you can be able to check on the analysis we did yesterday. And also I want you guys to let me know which pair you really benefited from yesterday's morning analysis. Okay, I hope you can see the screen. I hope everything is clear from your end. And for those people watching me on TikTok live, I'm on live on my YouTube channel. That's where you're going to be able to see the analysis live on my YouTube. Just go on my YouTube channel and then you're going to find this analysis that I'm doing. I'm live on my YouTube channel. So the analysis are only visible on my YouTube channel. Let me even do them this way so you can be able to see. So visibility concept says that he took AUDSD and GBPUSD loud and clear. Okay, so let's start on today's analysis. So in saying that only one person is already commenting, we have around 17 people, around 20 people joining. And okay, so this is just DCHF. This is just DCHF. So just DCHF, I remember you were looking for sales yesterday. Our view was not this because I said we wait for confirmation. Yeah, yesterday's view was we sell from this liquidity concept here, but the market didn't really even materialize. Later on, that's when I saw this re-entry. You can be able to see the re-entry that I did for this. I know how taught you even how to adapt to the changes in the market. This was the re-entry of a reverse of the market. I'm seeing USDCHF is really bullish. And even if the market here, there's something I normally talk about. Let me ask these questions. What happens whenever we have this trend candlestick here and you have these zones here? We have this zone, which is now the market has gotten to this particular zone. There are people who really refer this zone as maybe as a surprise zone. I want you guys, is my chat clear? I'm not sure if my laptop is clear. Guys, let me know. Sarah is saying Euro AUD and GBP AUD. Hizo zilienda vizuri. Euro AUD and GBP AUD ziliguza take profit vizuri. Crepes is saying hello, good morning. Is my screen clear? And for those people watching me on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. That's why I'm doing the live analysis from. I'm still waiting for someone to confirm for me that my everything is clear from the end, so that I can continue the analysis. Yes, Kefan Asama, yes, it's clear. Okay, so the thing is, I normally say whenever you have this red candlestick here formed here and you have this particular zone, the market will definitely spike up and break this zone. So don't try to sell on a zone whenever you have this order block, which is really created here. Screen is not clear. Visibility concept and some screen is not clear. Are you watching me? Let me see another comment from someone else. Is screen clear on your end? If you find the screen not clear, you can leave the live stream and come back again. Unatoka and then unarudi, utapata live, utaona live iko very clear. And not today we are late for analysis. Let me just continue because I'm waiting for the comments and I can't see them. So the thing is, yeah, whenever you have this order block, like market always breaks that particular zone and come back again to the order block, and then so we have mobiles from this particular zone. So remember from yesterday's analysis, we had this buy, we had this buys from here because of this reversal. So don't really gamble around in terms of reversals. They are very, very, very powerful. So for this now, we have another long position from this particular level of this order block, and we have a stop loss here. And I know everybody now, this one, there's an entry using a head and shoulder. There's an entry we use using another block. I know for now, you know how to trade another block. Like, you know, when I say this is another block, you know how to confirm and how to check whether it's a very confirmed entry point. USD card also, USD card we were looking for sales from this particular liquidity level. It really failed because the market yesterday, I noticed it has done even a reversal on the also USD. You can clearly see had a very swing reversal and the market is bullish. Trying to check on USD card, I can't see any re-entry we have because this order block is already mitigated and I can't see anything else that is all left now. Okay, on to the next one. AUDSD, we were looking for a sales from this head and shoulder. It was a very nice one. It has not yet hit TP, but one thing I'm also looking forward to is more sales because I see it, the market has already head, shoulder, and shoulder, and the neckline retested the neckline. I'm looking forward for more drops on this pair because a reversal of this, you know, it's always a very, very, very big reversal. So on AUDST, still the same day today, I'm still looking forward for more sales. Look for more drops on this pair and maybe target to those particular levels. So don't look forward for more buys. On EURUSD, there's something I have noticed. Yesterday, we went from this particular level of liquidity. It really activated well, but you have to know where to put your take profit. For an example, whenever you have such a scenario, you can clearly see at the top of this market, we have a failure swing, we have a change of character here. So meaning, even if you are buying from this particular level of this liquidity, you're supposed to target this particular level. So you don't have to hold beyond that particular level because the market has already changed the shift. So currently, I see this market is going to drop and it's not going to even to go higher from this particular level. We have this kind of structure. So anyway, we can be able to look forward for more drops on this market. I don't see, let's remove all the drawings and then put the market into a line chart. And then maybe for more sales, we can only look for them from that particular level and look forward for more short from these levels. And then continue dropping. So that's the view on Euro USD. That's the view I'm looking forward to. More sales on Euro USD. And the stop loss should be here. Let us stop loss iko hivyo. So look out for more sales on EURUSD using that concept ifanana hivyo. GBPUSD the same case nimwambia yesterday tulikuwa tuna buy kutoka hapa. But now ukibuy hiyo market wiki imefanya hii failure so in change of character ndo ifike ATP. So how many people benefited from GBPUSD? And for those people watching me on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. So I'm asking how many people benefited from the GBPUSD analysis? Go on TikTok and I see the screen is clear. So just go on. I'm even pia ukiweza kwa TV naona iko sawa. It's either you're using a phone, maybe that's why maybe in a lag. But if you're using a laptop to view my live stream on YouTube, or you're using a TV, iko sawa. So the thing is, these are GBPUSD. I'm asking who benefited from this, and the market really went well. So you're supposed to know that nimewafunza how to have your stop loss, how to have your take profit. So market ikifanya this various when change of character, hata TP yako ifai kuwa hapo, TP yako inafai kuwa hapa hivyo. So your target inafai kuwa something like that. So still today, now the market will change the buyers. I see more sellers. I see more sellers because the market has done a fair swing change of character, retested, dropped again. This market is still looking. I'm looking forward for this market to continue dropping, but natafuta re-entry sioni because one hata hapa kuna order block. Natafuta re-entry 45 minutes, hakuna re-entry naona. 30 minutes, hakuna re-entry, hakuna price naona ya re-entry, hakuna anything naona. Maybe during the day we can be able to check it later and see. On Eurocard, yesterday we were, which viewer was, did you have your Eurocard? I don't still remember any review on Eurocard, but every day nawafunzanga about this structure, change of character, inapanga noma sana. Unaona kila mahali kama unajua kuangalia change of character, huwezi kosa entries kwa market. This is how the market inafanyanga fair swing change of character, ndio hizi hapa market na drop again, na hiyo inakuonyeshanga the structure itashuka, so you can have a re-entry on this pair at this particular level again, and then a stop loss, a very minimal stop loss, and then continue dropping on Eurocard. Setup inafanana hivyo. On GBP card, the market imeshindwa kabisa ku break up, but I don't see the change of character ama nini, so it has been ranging, so I'll skip it, but I know it's going to drop considering that Eurocard we are seeing sales. Euro NZD, we have a very nice order block which is left here at this particular level. We can look forward for more sales from there. Look forward for more sales from there. And I said, whenever we are doing analysis, you have to know, follow up on our analysis, because kuja to join katikati, utashangaa what we normally do each and every day. AUD NZD. Yesterday we were looking forward for this exact structure. A fair change of character ilikata, but now the buyers have changed. This one was one of the setup and ilikata, ilifell here yesterday. So the thing is, today I've seen the market has already done a reversal. It's giving me over bullish movement. You see, the market has already done a very, very, very bullish. So re-entry nayo ndo normal because hakuna order block, hakuna anything. But I'm looking forward for more buys on this particular pair. 1 hour, 1 hour, no order block. 45 minutes, no order block, nothing. 30 minutes, 15 minutes, hakuna. But this market, I'm looking forward for buys. So if you're AUD and the 3 buys, you're okay. You're on the right direction. Let's go to GBPCHF. GBPCHF, we didn't have any view yesterday. Yeah. Okay, but hii market naona imetuachia a nice order block hapa. We can check it out, more buys from that particular order block yenye tumeachiwa hapo. GBP AUD, yesterday we were looking forward for sales. How many people benefited from GBP AUD these sales? Because we had these sales on GBP AUD using the trend line. Now the market may break the trend line. What can you see, guys? Let's go even to 1 hour. You're going to notice something. So hii market ikibreak trend line inaonyeshanga hii market itapanda, na hii market ishafanya reversal. Let me see someone, are we going to go buys or are we going to say sales? Let me see from the comment section. Comment sections. I'm waiting for the comment section so as they see someone who's going to comment. What is your view on GBPUSD considering all the structures market imefanya sasa? Is it going to go long? Are we going to go short? And also we can be able to see how the market closed on yesterday daily time frame. This is on which time frame? It is on 4 hours. Kuna that reversal. This is on 2 hours. I see this is a break and retest of a trend line. Market may break, it may retest trend line 1 hour. I see more buy positions. Let's see, that's our online Nakai. We can bullish and gap for 5 minutes. This is 30 minutes. This is 15 minutes. Let's see, 5 minutes. Okay, the risk stop loss hapa hivi ni how many pips? Let me see. Okay, the risk stop loss hadi hapo 11 pips. Okay, so I can wait for this one to Kodeka 846. Currently it's 846. I'll wait for this market to close so as I see whether I can be able to get a very good nice buy, because this is a break and retest of a trend line and a stop loss there, and then I look for a setup in a banana that way. That's the view on GBP AUD. Okay, and then Euro AUD, Euro AUD, Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Yesterday we were looking for sales. Kwanza hii market kwa nirudi mara mbili tu tena. TP imerudi tena hapo hivyo. This market is on a head and shoulder. I can't ignore the fact that the market is still on a head and shoulder over because it was a nice setup, and I'm asking how many people benefited from this setup. Like this is Euro AUD and GBP AUD. How many people benefited from this particular setup? The thing is, I can't ignore the fact that the market is on a reversal. So whenever the market is on a reversal, you still just go buy. There's no way you can be able to ignore that fact. It's on a reversal. So you just try, go for the long position, and then TP1 inafaa ikuwe hapo, TP2 uendelee nayo huko juu. Okay. Turudishe hii ya jana hapa. Unajua za wiki tunakujanga tukiangalia the setup zenye tumekuwa nazo, zimehitiwa stop loss, zenye zimebakishwa. Yeah, setup ziko hivyo. Okay, USD JPY. USD JPY, yesterday I was looking forward for more buys kutoka huku, haikukuja, but nikaona pia hizi sales za break and retest, nikapeana ikaguza stop loss hapa, ikarudi kashuka hivi. But there's something I have really observed now. On 2 hours we have an order block. On 4 hours this market is going to go long now. This is on daily time frame. 4 hours. 4 hours, I can be able to see the market is going to come back again to this particular level. We have a failure swing and a change of character just on 2 hours, the same case. So this market is going to come and buy from this particular level again. So wait for the market to retest here, and then we go for long positions again. So we are going to have a long position in a fananaji, a long position in a fanana hivo, and I take profit wapi hapo, and a stop loss wapi hapa. So the setup itafanana somehow like that. CAD JPY, I know all of them zinafanana hivyo. Oh, CAD JPY has a very nice order block which is visible on 1 hour. So this one is a very nice one. Setups, we can watch it out. Market itarudi to that order block. We go for a long position from that particular level and a stop loss there, and then we continue buying. So hizi ni setup. Hizi JPY ziko na hizi order block kwanza. Zote ziko na order block. Ika vizuri. Hizi order block ni mbili. Ile GBP JPY iko na order block kweli. And why were we buying from GBP JPY from this particular level yesterday? Can we just come to conclusion on why we were buying? It was order block ya jana, why were we buying from this particular level? JJ imeacha order block ya 45 minutes hapo. I didn't want iacha hapo. Nilikuwa nataka iache huku chini. Huku chini kuna order block. Just remove the drawings. The last order block yenye imebaki ni hii peke yake. Hii ya break and retest. The market inafaa ikuje i-test hapa, and then we continue buying. Okay, so use the same concept za order block pia. Leo GJ zinakaa kutupea very good setups. This is AUD JPY. Pia AUD JPY tulikuwa natafuta buys kutoka huku. Najua imeacha order block. Yes, kosa order block, look for that. Let's go to something else. Oil haikurudi kwa hiyo order block tulikuwa tunataka irudi kwa hiyo order block hapa hivi. Na oil inapenda order blocks. You can clearly see oil and order block inakonga normal sana. You see the way the market really obeyed there in that order block. Is it visible on 1 hour? Yeah, it was still visible on 1 hour, and the order block, the same order block is still visible on 1 hour. So this market is really bullish. So for now we don't have anything because we can't see any order block which is left. Yeah, AUD card. Oh, we were looking for buys from this break and retest yesterday. The market really went well. Ilikuwa ina move vizuri. So still buys. I'm still looking for buys on this particular setup. See this setup. See this pair. I'm very still bullish on this pair. Let's go on daily time frame. Okay, so let's remove the trends kwanza. Let's come back to 1 hour. And then let's come back to 45 minutes. Okay. Let's come back to our put a market into a line chart. Okay. I'm trying to think, is this another block? The only place naona inafaa ikuja ni hapa chini. Unaona kwa hizi mkia ikuja hapo chini, stop hapo. You look for a long position with a very tight stop loss and we continue buying that market that way. Silver, and then oh my god, Bitcoin is at 62. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god, this is crazy. And you know, yesterday it had a very good break and retest. This particular level, it had a very nice break and retest for those people. You know, that's a very nice break and retest, and then ikashuka. And Bitcoin is really for inafuata structures vizuri sana. Well, okay, so anything, because we have been selling Bitcoin kuanzia huku. Unakumbuka ile siku iliswipe this liquidity, we have been selling Bitcoin from 72, sasa iko 62. Can we check something else? I don't see anything on 4 hours, 2 hours. 2 hours hata hapa hivi sioni kuzisharudi break and latest 1 hour. I don't see anything, nothing. Okay. GBP NZD, coming back to GBP NZD on 1 hour, I don't think we had any view yesterday because of the ranging on daily time frame. To this ranging, we don't have any view. NZD USD come back to 1 hour. What was the view yesterday? Why do we unaona ameandika EOB? Kuna mtu alikuwa amechora hiyo. Oh, there's someone in the office who gave me this setup. Nimekuwa nikumbuka ni nani. I can't remember ni John ama nani, but I remember who gave me this order block. Akisema sales from this particular cell because of an order block amechora hapo. Yeah, but now on this pairs, this market they are dropping. Unaona zinafanya bearish structures. I expect this market to continue dropping considering pia kina June nimesema they are going to sell. But the only problem is there's no any entry because we can take a random entry maliko. And then you have Euro GBP. Coming back to Euro GBP, this was yesterday. Did the market materialize? Why were we buying from this particular level? Hii setup haikuwa yetu, ilikuwa ya mtu alikuwa anatumia kwa laptop kwa ofisi. I remember who gave us this setup. Was it Paris? I can't remember. Okay. So on this episode, I see this order block here. This on 4 hours. And the market is still ranging on 4 hours, and also on daily time frame utaona hiyo market in a range hapo juu, haijatupia very clear movement. Wait for the market to do a failure swing. Unajua hapa juu inaweza fanya failure swing hapa. So if this market does something, you're going to have a very good entry in terms of a failure swing, and then you're going to have a very good entry in terms of change of character, and the market is going to break, change the character, and then drop. Wait for the market to do something like that. So out of the analysis, I want you guys to comment for me which pair you want me to check out for you. And because we normally end our analysis at 9,999. So which pair have I not checked for you? Any pair that you want me to check? Oh, gold. Gold. So this was yesterday's view on gold. I was looking forward for gold to buy from this particular level in terms of liquidity. The market didn't come to swipe them. The liquidity, you see this liquidity haikukuja kuswipe, but ilikaribia kidogo. You can clearly see we missed with few pips. We could have had very good pips. You see, it made this entry, and the market is going high. But today there's something I have noticed. I'm not looking forward for this market to buy. I'm not looking forward to buy this market. I'm not buying this market. I'm not buying this gold. I'm not buying. We have a very strong bearish engulfing from the way the market started. I'm not looking for to buy gold. On today's, let's mark on today's liquidity. The only available liquidity is this. I do not have any liquidity at chini. Let me show you something. That's the available liquidity. Let me show you something. No, that's not a liquidity. So the only available liquidity in here na hii. So these are the only available liquidities. So those two, these and these. Hapa kingine katikati hakuna any liquidity iko available. So let's now finalize our analysis. And you guys, nimeisha hapa nikamwambia you guys mata msalimiane. Say hi. Tell us. Someone is saying I check for him GBPUSD. On GBPUSD, nimesema I'm looking for more buys from this pair because I see 1 hour imefunga tuko 855. Wait for this 1 hour ifunge and then it gives you a confirmation. But 1 hour ikifunga this way, ikifunga with this binded, it's a very bad thing because indicates the market will drop. It's ikifunga with a binded candlestick. So we have 4 more minutes so as they can confirm for you whether the market are going to go buys. So this one is not like yesterday's analysis, like the contribution to it, I said it is around 50% or 55%. It's not that very good in terms of accuracy. Someone is saying check EURUSD. EURUSD, I said it's a sell. Did you have a very good entry? Because between EURUSD and GU, kuna yenye tujapata entry. This is EURUSD. I've said EURUSD sells from this particular level, more sells from kutoka hiyo level ya hapo. And use the, you can clearly see that's more sales from this particular level. Consider we did a fair swing change of character and that I'm looking for more drops from Tokapo. Check EURUSD. I have answered EURUSD. Then Musioka and everybody answer EURUSD. It's more sales, more sales. Pia GU nimesema more sales. You know, and nimeuliza who benefit from yesterday's analysis. It was a very sniper one in terms of GU. Hii hata ilikuwa iliactivate order yetu na ikaenda vizuri. So hakuna hata drawdown ulipata on GU. Na ilienda how many pips? So ukiweka hata penny orders hapo hivyo ilienda pips. The market went over 46 pips with a lot of that more than $800. With a losses of 2, and you know GU losses ya 2 unaipiga vizuri sana. Thanks bro. Jana gold ilikuwa ndani. Gold ilikuwa sawa. The problem is entry kuswipe, but we said buys kutoka huko ilikuwa tu sawa. The view mlipata because nakumbuka kuna mtu alikuja hapa customer kako ananiambia ni buy gold hapo asubuhi, nikamwambia hapana, buy gold kutoka huko chini. Yeah. Any other comment? You know, guys, today I was late for the morning analysis. That's why I know you're feeling I'm in a hurry, very big hurry, because my schedule inanionyeshanga by 9 nafaa nikuwe nimemalizana na live stream. Yeah. And also tutaanzisha live streams za kutrade na kuja hapa tuna trade live on YouTube na nyinyi live trading. Tunakaa hapa the whole day. Okay. Any other question? Any pair you want me to check it out for you? I find most of the pairs tumefanya leo. This one is giving me a very good good entry here. JPY card JPY. It has a very nice order block visible on 1 hour. It's invisible on 1 hour. So watch it out. This is one of the pairs nimeona iko na very good entry. Watch out that order block. This one is a very nice one. Okay, which other pair do you think on today's analysis imetupia itakuwa na very good entries apart from that card JPY? GJ nimesema about buys from here, use the order block which is visible I think on 30 minutes. On which time frame? 15, which is visible on 15 minutes. Pia USD JPY analysis iko fiti. USD JPY, let me check USD JPY. Irungu minor, USD JPY. Okay, yeah, pia USD JPY itakuwa sawa. USD JPY itakuwa sawa. Na mtume confirmation. And you guys kindly update me on today's analysis, like analysis za jana zenye you benefit from yesterday's analysis. Hizi akina euro card na nini, unajua jana tulikuwa tuna sell, so we are trying to buy them from this head and shoulder, so take care of them. Ukiona jana tulisell na ikakuwa sawa, then the next day tunajaribu kuchange nini. Another pair you guys are forgetting, it's this one. We have this order block which is visible on USDCHF, so make sure that you use confirmation to have that entry kabisa. This USDCHF naona iko na reversal vizuri, which reversal tunaiona on which time frame inaonekana vizuri, so make sure mnafuata vizuri confirmation ya order block, mnajua, so mnapata mtu ajue ata kutrade order block. A market ikifika hapa kuna confirmation naangalia na si candlestick, there's a way we confirm that the market it has really obeyed that order block now. So use confirmation for you to take entries kabisa, usikuje tu kuchukua entries blindly. Someone is saying I traded GBPUSD yesterday and result was superb. Sanjos mnatoa chai. USD and US 100 Alex Kariuki. You want to be complex, you want to be extra and spicy, you want to check this Nasdaq. I had a suggestion. Yes, give your suggestion, Daniel Musia. We are here, we are listening to you. So someone is saying check USD in US 100. Wewe mwenye ulitrade GBPUSD and GBPUSD ulikuwa sawa. Those analysis were very okay. Hazikuwa hata na any drawdown hata kidogo. So let's check on to check on US30 and US100. US30 and US100. One thing I know about US30 and US100, naona nikiangalia hii market itashuka zaidi. Whenever we have very impulsive move, wanaifanya hivi nani itashuka tu. This is more of a flag. It will still drop. It will still drop kabisa. Ita drop tu. So US100 sioni risk yangu inakuanga imejaa hapa. So I see most on US30. So ukuwe unaweka live stream. So this suggestion is from Daniel Musia. He said that wewe unaweka live stream iwe tunakuja tunaona upcoming live stream na time, cause nilikuja asubuhi nikapata au kurudi tena nikapata umeingia 15 minutes ago. I was suggesting that the reason why I suggest weka upcoming live stream because the thing is nakuanga busy, so nikiweza kuambia live stream itakuja kesho, so the only thing you can only do is put a notification on my YouTube account. Uenda tu hapo hivyo kwa subscribe, ufinye YouTube notification. Anytime nikikuja live itakuwa inakutumia notification immediately that nimeingia live. So utakuwa unapata live stream yangu iko hapo. So that's the only way unaweza kuwa notified exact time nakuja live on my YouTube. But nikikuwekea notification, because most of the time my YouTube live stream zinakuanga either from 7:30 8 ama 8:30, yes, pita between those time. So unaona nikikosa kuingia 7:30 nitaingia 8, nikikosa kuingia 8 nitaingia 8:30. Like leo nimeingia 8:30. So someone is saying king of currencies. Yes, we normally have very superb analysis. So Esther Njuri anasema I took Euro AUD was good. Euro AUD pia ilikuwa sawa. Yeah, and currencies inabidi unaongeza pia ka lot size kidogo if you really want to make very good amount of money. And I was impressed by one, niliona pia, I don't want to mention the name. Jana niliona nani alifinya lot size ya 2. The only problem iliguza stop loss. And that's a very impressive because if you kuguza stop lot size ya 2, lot size ya 2 is easy to make $2,000 ama $1,000 na currency that day ikikwendea vizuri. But the only thing ilitutoa, let me show you the trade yenye ilitutoa jana na lot size ya 2. Unaona hapa hii break and retest hapa, unaona angalia venye ilifanya. So iliguza hapa mara ya kwanza ikafanya confirmation ya candlestick ya shooting star, si tukachukua. Market ikakuja ikakutoa, ikakuja hapa juu ikafanya shooting star nyingine ndio ikashuka. Anyway, we were stopped out from here. Hata mimi nilikuwa na lot size ya around 5 and lot size ya 5, hata let me tell you, you don't lose much. I lost like around $500 na lot size ya 5 kutoka somewhere hapa hivi. Currencies, so inabidi uongeze lot size. And I know I was targeting around 2,000 something because I wanted to complete the challenge yenye niko nayo ya 1,500 USD to 5,000. So stop loss ilikuwa hapa. I know stop loss was less than 10 pips. So less than 10 pips kuna lot size ya 5. That's around it was $400 and something, yeah. But anyway, we could have been in very good amount of money. Ikashuka hivyo tu. Anyway, we're going to try again today. Took Euro AUD and GBPUSD. Euro AUD and GBPUSD hizo zilikuwa sawa. Hizi akina GBPUSD ndio hizi ziliguza hizi sales hivi. Now this one didn't confirm for us. Kuna American was GBPUSD. Agent confirm here because unaona this green candlestick has been binded. For those people nimewafunza wanajonga, a green candlestick ikibindwa ni makosa. Haiwezi panda. So this one no confirmation for us. So give it time. So ikikata confirm pia Euro AUD. You know GBPUSD and Euro AUD, they are the same. They are same. So know that they have their positive correlations. So if one fails, know the other one has failed. So on conclusion today, nimesema nimeona JPY iko na very good order block to chill to hiyo order block yake, and the rest of so many pairs venye nimeangalia. Unless someone else has a question up to that point, naona it's 9:04. I can give you more to extra minutes. You ask questions as I wind up. So kama ushikanishi chenye nasema, nikisema confirmation nini, wewe kuja tu shule usome, uelewe how to trade forex, uelewe hizi nikisema lot size na nini hizo zote, because hadi nikimention nini nikisema kama confirmation ya order block hautaelewa, nikisema nini hauelewi, wewe kuja tu usome. Yeah. DXY. Someone is saying I check GBPJPY country. Okay, on GBPJPY, there's an order block which is visible on 15 minutes. I'm looking forward for the market to come back again to this particular level. This is the order block, sorry. This is the order block where I need the market to come back to, and then we continue buying. And that is it, guys. Unless kuna mtu akona any question. anaweza niuliza before I wind up this. And for those people watching me on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. That's why I do the analysis. And if you really want to come back and watch this analysis again, you can go back again you can go back again to my YouTube, utaona hizi analysis zote nimezifanya. So kuna mtu ananiuliza gold. Mbona tu nimeanza kunywa gold nimemark this liquidity. Hizo ndio the only available liquidity tuko nazo leo. Hivyo hapo juu na hapo juu peke yake. Unajua mimi natumia liquidity hapo tu peke yake. So those are the only available liquidity. AUD card unangoja confirmation ama unaingia aggressive. AUD card naona nikatu tunatafuta buyers, acha niweke uone. AUD card. Can you guys see it from the watch list? Sioni kwa nini? Niko nataka market retest hapa chini, but so I see more buys on AUD card. More buys on AUD card. Yeah. Endelea kubuy AUD card. Najua kwanza jana tumekuwa tukibuy. And someone today is saying today's setup EURUSD looks so promising. That entry is above Asian high. EURUSD nimesema EURUSD ni sales kutoka hapo, hiyo zone nimeonyesha, na mtumia 4 hours kupata hiyo confirmation. EURUSD ndio hiyo, sales ziko hapo, and use this time frame ya 4 hours to get that entry. GBPUSD nimepeana nini? GBPUSD jetupea nini? GBPUSD hatuna any confirmation. I really wanted to buy from this particular level, but I buy in this candlestick, so no confirmation for me to take that buy. Yesterday we were looking for sales, na leo sioni anything because I wanted the market break the trend line, retest. So mimi niko nataka na my view yangu ni buy bado. Hata sasa bado ni buy. But the problem is confirmation, hakuna confirmation. Yeah. So even if you take that entry here, you buy, just use a stop loss, but it's a higher risk trade. Evelyn Mwenja ndo anaweza GBPUSD. Any question hadi hapo? Any question? So GBPUSD kama unataka kubuy, ujue unatumia stop loss na hakuna tawata block. Kama tutajaribu tuongoje kwa hii nini, kwa hii chart trade zote. The next point inafaa kuja ni hapo. But make sure you're using a very good stop loss on this pair. I think I have exhausted the analysis of the question. So if you have not watched this analysis, unaweza pita tu kwa hivi yote uende ukirudisha tena hii market, unafuatilia one by one, unafuatilia by one. You're going to understand what we are doing and all the questions we have. Yeah, so I want you also guys, don't forget to hit that like button. Say tuko na how many likes? We don't have enough likes. We need to have like 30 likes so as we continue. We have 22. Don't forget to hit that like button. We have 22 likes and we have over 40 people live on my YouTube. Can you kindly hit that like button? Na sioningi watu wakituma ma gifts huku hivi on YouTube. Sinaonanga watu wanatumanga ma super charge and everything. You guys mnafaa mnunue gifts hapa. Every time tukipata very sniper entries kama za jana, mnakuja the next day mnatuma ma super gifts hapa hivi. Yeah. So the community is really growing. Unaona every day watu wanaongezeka. Tukianza hapa watu 10 to 15 every day. Sasa siku hizi tunafika over 50 views live stream, na kuna wengine wanakujanga wanapata hata tunafika 500 every day. So can we comment every day? Nikuwe nimekujuanga every time so nikiona comment yako najua this person si amekuja leo. Every day anakuja na kuuliza, anafuatia analysis zangu. So make sure that every day ninaona pia comment yako. Unapata kuna siku utauliza comment hapa hivi and maybe there's someone I know often yana trading. So make sure every day ninaona comment yako. I see this person. So thank you for these free lives you give us. Yeah, these analyses are very, 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 very informative. Easy ways to compare as a TikTok. And that's why I come live on my YouTube, so as you can be able to be accountable. Like yesterday, niliwaambia buy GBPUSD. You can be accountable to what I said. Go back to the live stream ya jana, uone niliwaambia buy kwa nini na the reason mbona nilibuy kutoka hapo. So ukikuja kama leo, unaona wenyewe market ilibuy venye alisema. Then niwaambia sell GBPUSD, EURUSD. Unaona wenyewe market alisema sells na zika react the way. Kuna zenye ziliguza stop loss, bona ziliguza stop loss, and you check the win rate and everything. Hata ukikuja hapa every day unatufuatilia blindly, my friend, huwezi kosa kuunda pesa. I can see Abdu Abdul, analysis, Zikos Power, Arif Kariuki, Rumbo Miner. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for everybody who may join. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, share this live stream to your friend, and comment them wakuwa nakuja wana watch. And yeah, bye bye. Adios.